This car was once a legend, but now it's damaged, rusted, and forgotten. Today we're bringing it back to life. Batman's car is no longer roadworthy, but in this video, we'll restore it from scratch and make it ready for the road again. Watch till the end. The transformation will be unbelievable. If you're still watching this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss more amazing restoration videos like this.